Contraction avec le verbe to be.
I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. He's. She is. She's. It is. It's. We are. We're. They are. They're.
Contraction avec le verbe to have.
I have. I've. You have. You've. He has. He's. She has. She's. It has. It's. We have. We've. They have. They've.
Les contractions avec has et is partagent la même forme.
She has. She's. She is. She's. He has. He's. He has. He's.
Dans ces exemples, she's et is peuvent représenter soit has, soit is selon le contexte.
Contraction avec le verbe will.
I will. I'll. You will. You'll. He will. He'll. She will. She'll. It will. It'll. We will. We'll. They will. They'll.
Contraction avec les verbes had et would.
I had. I'd. I would. I'd. You had. You'd. You would. You'd. He had. He'd. He would. He'd. She had. She'd. She would. She'd. It had. It'd. It would. It'd. We had. We'd. We would. We'd. They had. They'd. They would. They'd.
La contraction I'd peut représenter à la fois I had et I would selon le contexte. De même, he'd, she'd, it, we'd et they'd peuvent représenter soit had, soit would en fonction du contexte.
Les contractions négatives. Les contractions négatives sont formées en combinant le pronom sujet, le verbe auxiliaire et le mot hôte. Voici les contractions négatives courantes.
Is not. Isn't. Are not. Aren't. Was not. Wasn't. Were not. Weren't. Did not. Didn't. Do not. Don't. Does not. Doesn't. Cannot. Can't. Could not. Couldn't. Must not. Mustn't. Should not. Shouldn't. Will not. Won't. Would not. Wouldn't. Have not. Haven't. Has not. Hasn't. Had not. Hadn't.
Ces contractions sont couramment utilisées à la fois à l'oral et à l'écrit en anglais pour exprimer la négation. D'autres contractions.
That is. That's. There is. There's. What is. What's. Where is? Where's? Who is? Whose? Let us. Let's. Would have. Would've. Could have. Could've. Should have. Should've. Might have. Might've. Must have. Must've. May not. Mayn't. Ought to. Oughtn't.